Welcome to Create with Fran. I'm making this budget-friendly cracker candy. I start with preheating my oven to 350 and then I get my toppings ready first. So for my toppings, I'm choosing toasted coconut and toasted sesame seeds. I'm going to line my cookie sheet and I'll make sure that tinfoil is up along the edges so that my caramel sauce will not run out. Give that a spray. I'm using coconut oil spray because I have coconut on the toppings. But you could use olive oil. I'm going to spread a layer of these salted top premium plus crackers. And it took the whole sleeve almost, except 2 crackers. Now in my pot, I have a cup of butter and a cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to melt that over medium heat until it comes to a rolling boil. Now, once we have our rolling boil, we'll let that boil for 5 minutes and I'll continue stirring it quite often. We'll pour that over our crackers on our cookie sheet and spread it out evenly over them. Now we're going to put that in our 350 degree oven and bake it for 5 minutes. Now we'll turn that oven off when we take it out. Pour on a package, 1 bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then I've added another half a cup of milk chocolate chips. Now I put that back in my off oven, but still warm oven for 2 minutes. Now take that out and those chocolate chips have melted enough that I can spread them around now. So I spread them over top of the caramel. And you don't press hard here, just go lightly so you don't lift your crackers up off of the tray. So now that we have our chocolate on our caramel, I'm going to add our toppings. So here's my toasted coconut and my toasted sesame seeds. And I'm just going to gently pat those down, press those down into the chocolate. And we'll throw that into the fridge for a couple hours. Okay, we're out of the fridge. We're all hardened up. And now all we have to do is break that into pieces. Enjoy. Thank you for creating with me.